Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Codewala. I am Dhananjay Kumar. I am excited to welcome you to another lesson in our complete Shisha programming course. If you are new to this channel, CS Codewala is dedicated to helping students, beginners and professionals learn programming with practical examples, real-world projects, interview preparation and industry-level concepts. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in C# programming, C# fundamentals. This concept is the foundation of every C# application. Whether you want to build application, ASP.NET Core web application, desktop software, mobile application using .NET MAUI, game and utility, or enterprise software, you must first master this basic. In this lesson, we cover variable, consonant, data type, value type, reference type, typecasting, boxing, unboxing, operators, console, input and output, string, interpolation. After that, we create three practical console application: area calculator, temperature converter, and swap two numbers. Let's begin with variables. So what is variable? A variable is simply a named memory location used to store data. Think of a variable as a container, just like keep a water inside a bottle. A variable stores information inside computer memory. The value stored inside a variable can change while program is running. The syntax of variable is data type, variable name, equal operator, and then value. Generally, equal operator are called the assignment operator, which is used to assign the value into the variable. For example, we declare a variable which name is as of type int. The value of as is assigned 25. So simply we write down like that: int as equal to 25. Again, we create a variable name which store the value of a string type, and the value is John. Name must begin with a letter or a underscore. That means a variable always begin with a letter or underscore. Cannot contain the space. When we declared a variable, in between variable, we cannot create the space. Cannot use C# reserved keyword. And a variable is case sensitive. That means student age. Here S is in a small letter, and again one is the student is capital letter. That means both variable are different because C# is case sensitive programming language. So we start the Visual Studio. Let's see that what happens. So here we create the Visual Studio and create a new project, console application. Next, fundamental, variable, example. We create a project, and then we take this because we use the traditional type of the application for better you understanding. So we create the application and declaration of variable like that int, that means data type name, and after that variable name, and then the value of variable. After that we take second variable string, and then variable name is our name, and here we take the name. Okay, again rules of variables. Variables name must begin with letter or underscore. That means variable name cannot be begin with a number. So we take a variable and see that what happens. Even I take the one is equal to 35. Here error message is given. What is the error? Error is so simply we run it. See that no, here is error. What is the error? Error is identifier accepted. Okay, semicolon accepted. Semicolon accepted. That these two are the warning, not error. You can have 1, 2, 3 are the error message. Identifier accepted. So here we again we give the another and one. Again it's give the error message. Okay, even we remove the one, that is the good, not any error. Okay, but even I took the number at the beginning of the variable, that means it is created an error because variable declaration have a rule. First rule is variable must begin with a letter or underscore. Okay, the better way to understand, variable begin with the letter or underscore. Okay, a variable cannot contain the space. Again we check what happens when we declare the variable with a space. So here is again we take a variable string, and then we take the space in between variable. This is the, here is the error. Okay, because a variable name cannot contain the space. Okay, a variable name cannot use the C# reserve keyword. A variable name cannot be C# reserve keyword. A variable name cannot be declared when we take the reserve keyword. The systems give the errors. Like I have a reserved keyword if. Okay, so even I declared a variable name like that string. Okay, and I took the reserved keyword equal to okay. So at that situation, it's give the errors because a variable name cannot be taken reserve keyword. Simply have we already seen written that a variable name cannot use C# reserve keyword. Okay, and then okay, here we take this and then our this one is the uh, look like that the variable is case sensitive because C# is a case sensitive language. So student age and the student age. Here S is in a small letter and here S is in capital letter. So this one is default. Simply we seen that here we took the console dot right line and then okay name. A variable, my variable name is name in a small letter. Even I took this, it give the errors. Why error? We take a variable name with a small letter and have it written in capital letter. The small letter name and capital letter name is default. Both are different. C# understand we have like both are different variables. So that because of C# is case sensitive programming language. So even we declared a variable name, a small letter name. So you must be use the small letter name because a small letter variable name or capital letter variable name is different. So we take the name and then console dot right line. Here we take the S and we done it. Understand that? So here we seen that a variable must begin with a letter or underscore. Cannot contains variable name cannot contains the space. Cannot use the C reserve keyword and it is case sensitive. So a small letter S and capital letter S are different, not same. After variable, let's move to constant. Constant is a fixed value that cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Declaration of constant, we use const keyword. Const, then data type, then variable name, then the value of constant. Constant must be assigned at the time of declaration. After declaration, we cannot be assigned the value of constant. Simply we take the example. We use const, and which type of the value we want to store in a constant variable. So a double type, and then we use the pi, and then the pi value is 3.141. Okay, so we already seen that constant cannot be reassigned. So we took the reassign the value of constant like that. System give immediately errors or is stopped. Here one is the error because we take the constant and constant cannot be reassigned. Okay, a constant variable assigned at the time of declaration. Here we declare the constant variable and assign the value of constant. If we not assign the value of constant, what happens? System give the errors. What is the error? A constant will require the value to be provided. That means a constant variable must be assigned at the time of declaration. So this one is the constant. I hope you understand it. What is the constant and how to use it?
Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to CS Codewala. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you will never miss our latest tutorial on C# .NET Full Stack Development, AI, IoT and Programming. See you in the next video. Happy coding!